हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम जेबीसीआईबी के अपने थोड़े से और क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। व्हेन वाज द नेशनल कमीशन वाज सेट अप बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट? इट वाज इन 1988। डिस्ट्रिक्ट फोरम शैल कंसिस्ट ऑफ president, eminent person and lady social worker. Who would be the president of district forum? That is district judge. What are the special features of Consumer Protection Act from consumers point of view? That is speedy resolution of complaint, inexpensive redressal of complaint and simple complaint procedure. What of the following sectors the Consumer Protection Act applies? That is private sector, public and government agencies. Unclaimed deposit means a deposit not operated for 10 years. An endorsement in which endorser waives the notice of dishonor is not called as restrictive or conditional endorsement. RBI is under obligation to undertake banking business for the central government for the provisions of Section 20 of the RBI Act. The director of a banking company can hold office continuously for 8 years. In securitization, who is the obligor? Borrower. Whether breach of RBI directives is punishable offence and to what extent? That is, yes, fine up to 5 lakh rupees and continuation, that is 10,000 per day. Provision of Sarfasi Act are applicable to which of the following? That is securities charged to the creditors and not in possession of the creditors. Securitization company may, all of the options are correct, act as an agent to FI or banking company, as a manager for the secured assets, as a receiver if appointed by the court. A limitation period for filing of the review application against the award given by the banking ombudsman is 45 days. DRT Act is applicable only if the debt recoverable is above 10 lakh. An entity holding not less than 10% of the paid up equity capital of securitization or reconstruction company is called as sponsor. Dividends are usually paid as paid up capital. For impart benefits of Sarfasi Act 2002 to the banks is all of these, that there is speedy recovery. An order has been passed by the district forum under Consumer Protection Act for payment of compensation. Its recovery shall be made by the referring order to the collector as to recover as the land revenue. Dash goods are to be manufactured or produced acquired by the seller after making of the contract of sale, that is future. Which what are the main features of Sarfasi Act 2002? To put a legal system and help in the further recovery. Main issues with the Sarfasi Act were enforcement, securitization and setting up of ARCs. The important features of enforcement securities are acts as an agent for recovery. The power of enforcement of security are available to the banking companies and public financial institutions. The rights available to the secured creditors are to sell the assets, file application to the DRT and to proceed against the guarantor. Which of the following provisions are correct regarding securitization? That is, performing assets can be securitized, non-performing assets can also be securitized, and a securitization company can also act as a ARC. An instrument on which dash is not mentioned is insured. Date or sign, anything is living, that is insured. Incomplete instrument. As per IT Act 2000, punishment for hacking can be fine up to 2 lakh or imprisonment up to 3 years. Which of the following is correct statement? Central government can give directions to RBI under section 7 subsection 1 of the RBI 1934. While dealing the shares and securities, banks have to follow the regulation framed by the SEBI. FSDC was set up in the December 2010. Following are not included in the Central Board of Directors of RBI, that is Executive Director. Which of the following is not eligible to avail the benefits of DRT Act, that is non-NBFCs? Following is not considered for recovery by debt DRT, that is debts due to staff of the bank. Following modes can be used for filing case with DRT, that is personally by representative of a bank or the bank advocate, or application can be sent through register post. Chairman of SFSDC is Finance Minister. As per RBI guidelines, a bank must lend through a consortium when credit facilities are more than none. FSDC की फुल फॉर्म पूछी गई है, तो ये है फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी एंड डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल। फुल फॉर्म तो आप सब रट ही लीजिए क्योंकि वो बार बार आ ही जाती है। होल टाइम डायरेक्टर आर नॉट अपॉइंटेड बाय द RBI or individual bank. Working capital demand loan was recommended by the Rashid Jilani committee. At the time of granting fresh loan facilities, which type of declarations is to be obtained from the borrowers? That is, details about the credit facilities already enjoyed by the customer. Means if you are going to open a current account, you are have to take a declaration from him that either you are having some credit facility from other banks also or not. What type of charge is created when the security for the loan is the document of title to goods such as railway receipt, that is pledge. If a person seeking information is not provided information within the prior period, normally 30 days of RTI, he can appeal to he can make further appeal within 30 days. System of a secure key pair consisting of a private key for creating a digital signature and public key verifying the digital signature is called as e-commerce. It's called as asymmetric crypto system. Basically क्या है कि डिजिटल सिग्नेचर में दो तरह की कीज होती है, प्राइवेट की और पब्लिक की। वो दोनों मैच करेंगी तभी डिजिटल साइन होंगे. If a person commits offense under Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 shall be eligible for fine up to 5 lakh rupees. Each of the following can become members of a company, that is a company. PML Act, the banks has to maintain the records of specific transaction for a period of 10 years. If a banking company is found to be not complying with requirement of PML Act 2002, the director can impose a fine of minimum 10,000, maximum 1 lakh rupees. The person given license to issue digital signature under section 24 of the IT Act is called a certifying authority. Authentication of an electronic record by a subscriber by means of an electronic method of procedure in accordance with the provisions of the section 3 of the IT Act is called as digital signature. Following is not a document of title to goods, that is airway bill. Under the provisions of the Presidency Towns Insolvency Act 1909 or Provincial Insolvency Act 1920, the goods covered under the document of title to goods are cannot be included by the receiver or assignee in the assets of the insolvent. इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी क्या है आपका? इंश्योर्ड करती है in the interest of the policy holder. The transfer of interest in the immovable property by a person to secure payment of loan obtained is called as mortgage. Punishment under Consumer Protection Act for complaints of frivolous nature is only fine of rupees 10,000. A macro financial monitoring group is chaired by the chief economic advisor. The monetary and credit policy statement of RBI are not called as credit policy of RBI or economic policy. It is called as annual policy of statement. In a bill of exchange, normally who is not the drawee, that is person ordering for payment and the beneficiary are not the drawee. Inter-regulatory forum for monitoring the financial conglomerates was set up in August 2012. Which of the following requirements of a securitized company, that is it should be an independent company registered with the RBI and it will be a public financial institution. Under open cash credit, the goods are taken as security without transferring the ownership and possession. Under the Banking Ombudsman scheme, a complaint can be lodged with the Banking Ombudsman within the specified jurisdiction. The secretariat staff in the Banking Ombudsman office will be drawn from banks या फिर drawn from Reserve Bank. Central Information Commission can impose a penalty of rupees 250 for each day till the information is furnished. An authorized person may be authorized dealer of category 1, 2 or money changer. General lien can be exercised by the bank on one of the following, that is articles in safe custody. Who among the following can be an authorized dealer of category 1, that is commercial banks and state and urban cooperative banks. Statutory corporations are established under Act of Parliament. Dash is terminated under the when the buyer gets the possession of the goods, that is lien. Lien gets terminated. In bank guarantees, the bank make payment to merely on demand by the beneficiary. In documentary collection, the importer is the drawee. There is an implied condition on the part of the seller that he has the right to sell the goods. An ancillary LC which arises when the seller beneficiary uses the LC opened in his favor to support another LC opened by the seller's bank favoring his supplier is called as back-to-back LC. The account maintained by our foreign branches a correspondence with our domestic branch in India is known as Vostro account. Rate applied for a foreign exchange transaction which involves immediate conversion of currency is known as ready rate. A rate of exchange established between any two currencies on the basis of the respective quotation of each currency in terms of a third currency is known as cross rate. The liability of the members of the company can be limited by share or guarantee. The validity of the check will not be affected by the death of the endorser. Introduction in all deposit accounts is not compulsory as per RBI. To open an executor account, the bank should insist on probate. Section 4 of the Sale of Goods Act 1930 deals with the sale or agreement to sell. According to the rule in Clayton's case, the monies paid in by the customer in his current account are to be applied towards adjustment of overdraft in the order of time in which the debts were first come, first out. RBI promotes commercial banking by providing cheap rediscounting facilities to banks, providing liberalized discounting facilities to banks, and giving subsidies to new banks. Issuance of DRs is based on the increase of demand in the international market. ADRs that do not qualify and are not intended to be listed on stock exchanges are referred to as Level 1 ADRs, the performance of which scheme does the National Housing Bank monitor, that is Golden Jubilee Rural Housing Finance Scheme. Voting right can't be exercised in case of calls in arrears. Revaluation account is operated to find out gain or loss at the time of admission of a partner, retirement of a partner, or death of a partner. Which of the following has been included in the eligible investments for the purpose of SLR, that is cash management bills? The basic objective of prudential norms for exposures are better risk management and avoidance of credit risk. What is integrated GST? That is tax imposed on interstate trade. Which of the following is the rate at which the RBI lends money to the commercial banks, that is repo rate? Hope friends these questions may help you.